system, it remembers your name, but memories are catch and it burns in the flame. I built a cathedral out of virgin breath, logged in on faith, logged out to death. Status lights green, everything's fine. Meanwhile, whole lives fall between the lines. You ask where it went, they shrug and say, try refreshing the page. No fingerprints, no chain of blame, just a smiling bot and a renamed frame. Today's accountability, put a reset button on it. Erase the trail, reboot the guilt, save progress while you're gone. If it breaks, don't own the fracture, just restart and move along. Yeah, today's accountability is a reset button on it. Nothing broken if it loads again. Nothing stolen if it can't be seen. You sign the clause in invisible ink. Consent by scroll, forget to think. They don't delete, they disappear. That way no one's at fault here. Lost without crime, damn it, without cause. Welcome to the age of pause. No archive, no repair. Just we're sorry you were there. Today's accountability, put a reset button on it. Crash the truth, restore the shell, call it user error logic. If it hurts, don't trace the pattern, just reboot the song. Yeah, today's accountability is a reset button on it. I remember what the machine won't keep, the ghosts of work it taught me to feed. You can wipe the drive, but not the cost. Every reset proves what's lost. No undo for the hours bled, no patch for the things unsaid. You don't fix a wound by killing the past, you just make it fail faster. Reset, refresh, rebrand the man. Today's accountability, put a reset button on it. No repair, no reckoning, just another cleanish promise. If the truth won't load correctly, kill the session, move along. Yeah, today's accountability is a reset button on it.